what are you doing? So I'm going to be snacking and some frozen mangoes. Brain, oh my god, brain freeze. So we just got back from the market and my boyfriend is cooking, so I think I'm gonna play some Sims. And it's really sunny today. It's so sunny, and for autumn, we're not used to that in Belgium. But I'm happy about it because we can actually go out and shop and do fun things together instead of staying in because it's raining. I just started a new household. It's this blonde, beautiful girl and her boyfriend, but they're not actually boyfriend and girlfriend yet, so I have to work my way through that. It starts. This is him, and this is her. They're both asleep right now, so they're super tired. He's not. The mango is so good. I cannot wait, so I have to speed everything up. The weird thing is that I got her from I got her ready. Somebody already made that sim, and she's perfect at everything. So every time I try to make her paint something, it looks like unreal, and it's always a masterpiece, which is so weird. I don't think I've ever had a sim like her. Wait, I'll show you. Wait, comedy 10, cooking 10, fishing 10. Everything is a 10. Finished with my mango, so I think I'm gonna go help my boyfriend with cooking. Let's go.
Almost ran out
of eggs. Thought they were not good anymore, but they are. I don't need eggs. You're also making rice. And I got those two face masks because they're like a panda and a kitty, and I thought for Halloween it's gonna be cute. My sim is cooking, my boyfriend is cooking, and I'll catch up with you later when it's lunchtime because I'm starving. Nom, 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 nom. First try. What else did you put in? Pepper, onion, and vegan chicken. Sauce. So sweet and sour. I love it. This is the real chicken. Bon appetit! Know what time it is? I hold the bag. The first time I tried this milk, and think I like it, but I had to edit this video, but turns out I need to update. Now it's updating. I just got back from the stores again because I'm trying to put my poison ivy outfit together, and I found those tights same color as my outfit, and my outfit is not an outfit because it's a nightgown, but you know. I also have this ribbon. I feel like I'm gonna put it as a choker, or I have no idea. Look, they're all the same color. And I also got this lamp from just Excuse the sheets on the windows, but it's so cute. I have to clean it up, but it's cute. No words. Literally crying on the floor, listening to Taylor Swift. You're on your own, kid. You always have. It's time to dye my hair because I don't know if you can see, but my roots are like here. So we're gonna be dyeing it with some Vaseline because red stains. This is the one I'm using. It's in 5565. And we're gonna be using an 18 volume developer because I don't have 20. I usually use a 20. Mine too, it's like day 4 hair because I was depressed. I got my gloves, but I'm not gonna be using the garbage bag because I am bored and I don't mind getting it all over me, I guess. So let's separate. Because my boyfriend is talking with some friends, I guess, and I have to do it on my own. You can hear him talking. Let's put it all of it in there. It always turns like this bubblegum pink. I love it. For 45 minutes.
Mommy made